Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Sign into Apple. Apple, COM and check payment methods, active subscriptions, and any remaining store credit. Once done, back up your device so you can restore if needed, and list apps tied to your current country since some will disappear. Make sure you have a valid payment method, billing address, and phone number for the new country. Without these, the App Store won't let you switch. This upfront checklist saves time and prevents lockouts. Now change the country on your device. Open Settings, tap your name, choose Media and Purchases, then View Account. Sign in if asked. Tap Country/Region and select the new country because store catalogs and payment rules differ by location. Accept the terms, then enter the new billing address and payment method. You must match the country. Once submitted, Apple verifies the payment or asks for additional verification. If verification succeeds, your App Store and services will update to the new country. Finish by reviewing subscriptions, family sharing, and redownloading any apps available in the new country. Some purchases may not transfer. If the switch is blocked, check for active subscriptions or remaining store credit, cancel or spend the balance, or use a separate Apple ID as a backup plan. Make sure you sign out and back in on all devices so changes propagate. If payment verification fails, re-enter details, try a different card, and contact Apple support for account-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.